Assalamualaikum. Today we'll be explain about arts by John Keller. It is developed in 1979. It is a instructional design model for motivational theories. Okay. It is a problem-solving approach. There are four components in this model, which are attention, relevance, confidence, and satisfaction. The first element is A. A for attention. Attention is the first step that we need in order to complete the model. The first, we need to gather the learner's attentions. Okay, there are three components in this, which are perceptual arousal, inquiry arousal, and variability. The first one is perceptual arousal. It is used surprise element to gather the learner's attention. The next one is inquiry arousal. It uses the problem-solving question, which are the teachers. We ask the student the question to make them curious about it. The last one is variability. It is used variety of method to gather the learner's attention.
Okay, so the second component of arts is art. Art stands for relevance. Relevance is about the usefulness of the content of the subject, which means the teacher should somehow show the usefulness of this content so students can keep on being motivated in learning the subject. So one of the examples of how teachers can apply this component is by letting the students know the relevance of the subject. As example, teachers can inform the student of how the subject can help them in the future. Like if they are learning science subject, the subject somehow can help them if they want to be a scientist or have any ambition. The third element of arts is C, which stands for confidence. Confidence is about raising success expectation among learners, so they somehow feel like they can achieve or pass the subject successfully. One of the examples how teachers can apply this element in their teaching is by letting the students know about evaluation rubric or mark distribution of the subject, so the students somehow can plan of how they can pass the subject with flying colors.
Okay, so now we get into the last component of arts, which is satisfaction. Satisfaction of the learners is based upon their motivation. So, learning must be satisfying and rewarding, so it can increase the motivation of the learners. For example, the teachers can give praises or rewards to the students to increase their motivation. The next example is by doing immediate application of the skills so that the students would feel the skills is useful.